Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use ink transitions. Hopefully they'll be helpful to you. I think they're really terrific. So let's start. What I've got on my timeline of Premiere Pro is two photographs. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drag in my ink transition. Okay, and you'll see there's your ink transition. Okay, so first thing we need to do is take the ink transition. The back end of the ink transition needs to line up with the back end of your first clip. Lift the ink transition up one track. Then take your second clip, lift it up and drag it, the front of it to the front of your ink transition. Then press C on the keyboard and cut at the end of the transition. Press V on your keyboard to turn the razor off. Drag the second half of your second clip down back onto the main track. Okay, so what we need to do then is click on the first section of the second clip or photo. Then we need to go to Effects, type in Track Matte, M-A-T-T-E, and you'll see down here under keying you'll have Track Matte key. Drag that onto your cut section of your second photo or clip. Okay, then go over to Effects Control where it says Matte under Track Matte key, Matte, you'll have none in the drop down. Click the drop down and change it to Video 3. Then under Composite, where it says Matte Alpha, drop that down, click on Matte Luma. Okay, let's just see how that's worked out. And there you go. That's your ink transition complete. Okay, I think they look pretty terrific. You can shorten them or lengthen them just by adjusting the front end. Okay, as you can see, it's a pretty nifty transition. That's great. So, thanks very much for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe and turn on notifications if you want to see future videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day. We'll see you soon. Bye.